Exercise tick the correct answer. How many atoms are present in 1 gram of H2O? A. 1000, 2 times 10 to the 23rd atoms. B. 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd atoms. C. 0.334 times 10 to the 23rd atoms. D. 2.004 times 10 to the 23rd atoms. Which is the correct formula of calcium phosphide? A. Calcium phosphide. B. Calcium phosphide 2. C. Calcium 2 phosphide 3. D. Calcium 3 phosphide 2. How many atomic mass units AMU are there in 1 gram? A. 1 AMU. B. 10 to the 23rd AMU. C. 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd AMU. D. 6.022 times 10 to the 22nd AMU. Structural formula of 2-hexene is CH3. CH equals CH. CH 2.2. CH3. What will be its empirical formula? A. C2H2. B. CH. C. C6. H12. D. CH2. How many moles are there in 25 grams of H2SO4? A. 0.765 moles. B. 0.51 moles. C. 0.255 moles. D. 0.4 moles. Why? A necklace has 6 grams of diamonds in it. What are the number of carbon atoms in it? A. 6.02 times 10 to the power of 23. B. 12.04 times 10 to the power of 23. C. 1.003 times 10 to the power of 23. D. 3.01 times 10 to the power of 23. Obvious I. What is the mass of Al in 204 grams of aluminum oxide, Al2O3? A. 26 grams. B. 27 grams. C. 54 grams. D. 108 grams. Which one of the following compounds will have the highest percentage of the mass of nitrogen? A. CON H22. B. N2H4. C. NH3. D. NH2OH. When 1 mole of each of the following compounds is reacted with oxygen, which will produce the maximum amount of CO2? Ainu of A. Carbon. B. Diamond. C. Ethane. C2H6. D. Methane. CH4. 4. What mass of 95% calcium carbonate will be required to neutralize 50 cubic centimeters of 0.5 molar hydrochloric acid solution? A. 9.5 grams, B. 1.25 grams, C. 1.32 grams, D. 1.45 grams. Write down the chemical formula of barium nitride, barium ion, barium 2 plus nitride ion, N3 minus after balancing charges formula is barium 3N2. Find out the molecular formula of a compound whose empirical formula is CH, subscript 2O, and its molar mass is 180. Empirical formula mass equals open parenthesis 12 plus 2 plus 16 close parenthesis equals 30 g mole to the power of minus 1. N equals molecular mass divided by empirical mass equals 180 divided by 30 equals 6. Molecular formula equals open parenthesis CH subscript 2O close parenthesis subscript 6 equals C subscript 6H subscript 12O subscript 6 check mark. Answer C subscript 6H subscript 12O subscript 6. How many molecules are present in 1.5 grams H2O? Molar mass of H2O equals 18 grams per mole. Moles equals 1.5 divided by 18 equals 0.0833 mole. Molecules equals N times N. A equals 0.0833 times Na 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd power is approximately 5.02 times 10 to the 22nd power. What is the difference between a mole and Avogadro's number? Mole, a unit that represents 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd particles, atoms, molecules, or ions. Avogadro's number, Na, the constant 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd, the number of particles in 1 mole. Mole is a quantity of substance. Avogadro's number is the numerical value of particles in 1 mole. Write down the chemical equation of the reaction. Copper plus sulfuric acid, copper sulfate plus sulfur dioxide plus water.